Ano, picture tayo? Ito, picturean kita.
Saan?
Dito.
Hindi na.
Hindi na?
Hindi na.
Oh,
Dilim lang, no?
ang laki pala. Tubig yung nag-form dyan, mami. Yung mga patusok-tusok. Ay, oy, mami.
Oh. Ano?
May,
Dito muna tayo.
may sasabihin ba? May sasabihin?
Ano na?
Good morning sa inyo.
Yes.
My
Video
name
mo
is
kita.
Sol.
Sol?
Opo.
Sol. Okay.
Mag-ingat po tayo sa daan natin. Na nilagyan ito. Yung mga white na bato.
Oo.
Kasi madulas po yan.
Oo.
Ingatan niyo din po ako. Kasi bata pa lang ako.
Yun. Siyempre.
Welcome dito sa Sumaging. Ito pong Sumaging ay pinakamalaking cave ito sa Sagat.
I've heard the whispers, stories they told. They say slow down before you lose control. But I'm not waiting, no time to pause. I'm chasing dreams, no matter the cost. Step by step, I'm moving ahead. No second thoughts, no looking back instead. Maybe I should fear what's around the bend, but I'm too busy living my time to spend. I'm not afraid of what's to come. I'm racing forward and I'm having fun. I'm living in the now, I'm in my flow. Where tomorrow leads, I'll never know. With the sky beneath my feet, I'm free, dancing on the edge of infinity. I'm living in the now, I found my light, and I'm not letting go tonight. The waves might rise, the storm might roar, but I'm riding high, I'm wanting more. I'm slowing down, I'm on this ride, feeling every beat of life inside. The world's still turning, but I'm ahead, heart's on fire and I'm seeing red. There's no time to question or to wait, I'm making my move before it's too late.